Let's say you manage a multi-site operation, but equipment downtime and the unplanned maintenance costs that come with it are out of control and taking a toll. So, you reach out to your local cat dealer. And before your numbers can get any worse, your dealer is on the job, along with Cat Job Site Solutions. They work together with you to review your data, identify trends and alerts, and define your challenges, including the root issues that are causing your challenges, and then craft a custom solution for your operation that includes machine condition monitoring, comprehensive ongoing reporting services, and all the coaching and consulting it takes to help you make the changes stick within your organization. Plus, Cat Job Site Solutions has the tools and experience to get the job done efficiently and with as little disruption as possible. Here's the best part: the outcomes, like a 48% increase in your mean time between stoppages, a 9% increase in planned maintenance, a 2% increase in physical availability, and the improved overall health of your most critical assets. Now, your sites are a step closer to optimization. Your people have the training and insights to keep the ball rolling. And you can at last set your mind at ease thanks to your local cat dealer and Cat Job Site Solutions.